Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a SRT file to speech.
They say if you want to glimpse the future, just look behind you. I used to think that was bollocks, but now I realize.
Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your SRT file to the timeline. I got this one from a page called Movie Subtitles. You have a lot of SRT files with movie subtitles. We've chosen the Furious 7. Now right-click on it and click on Text to Speech. You can choose about the language of the title. They have 18 languages for now. Also, you can choose from a variety of voice speakers. Also, we can adjust the speed and the pitch of the voice. Now if we want to add some stock related to some of the movies, we can go to Stock Media and into the Giphy section. Here we have free stock footage from movies and much more. Add the scene you like below the SRT file. Make sure to do a crop to fit to them all. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.